Salutations to the Akiam out there. This is J.D. Nija coming to you with a message of edification for all the brothers and sisters in Israel that know the truth and walk with the truth. This is going to be a blessing. Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai. Yahweh, our Father, and the leader of all nations, and in the name of His Son, our deliverer, Yahushai. Today's message is from Jeremiah, the 50th chapter, 21st verse. Jeremiah 50:21. A sound of battle. Verse 21, it says, "Go up against the land of Miriath, even against it and against the inhabitants of Pekod, waste and utterly destroy them, saith the Lord, and do according to all that I have commanded thee." A sound of battle is in the land and of great destruction. Verse 23, "How is the hammer of the whole earth cut asunder and broken? How is Babylon become a desolation among the nations? I have laid a snare for thee, and thou art also taken, O Babylon, and thou wast not aware. Thou art found and also caught, because thou hast striven against the Lord." Verse 25, "The Lord has opened his armory and hath brought forth the weapons of his indignation, for this is the work of the Lord of hosts in the land of the Chaldeans." All right, so what this verse, the breakdown of this sound of battle is, you can feel it in your hearts. You can feel it, the Spirit's moving in you. You could hear the sound of Yahushua coming back to lay these nations waste, asunder and broken. Babylon is a desolation. They got it coming. They're prideful. They're nasty, evil, wicked, violent people. And when the violence comes on them, oh boy, they're going to know it. So Jeremiah 50:21, a sound of battle. You can hear the sound of the power of the Lord coming. I'm just going to crack open the heavens. All right, Akim. You brothers stay strong. Remember, we're almost at the end. These dumb Edomites are going to make their move, and the Lord's going to checkmate them. Blessings and all honor to Yahushai and Yahweh, our Father. Shalom, Israel.